Guys, busy na si Mr. guys. Ito yung aming ipakain sa mga darating. See, I'm number 1.
I'm 1. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Naglilinis lang ako, guys. Naglilinis ako kasi darating yung 4 mag-asawa. So, yun. And, hindi naman sobrang linis. Ano lang talaga. Konting linis dito, konting linis doon. And yun, 2 na yung ano natin, guys. Ay, 3 pala. 3. Yung isa andun sa attic. Ilagay lang namin. Anyway, maligo pa ako, guys. Kasi kailangan kong i-pick up yung mga pagkain doon sa Filipino store. My mister is andun sa office. Look. He's right over there. Look! Hey! Andun siya sa office, guys. Meron siyang ginagawa. Ay, ang dami kong ipadala, guys. Oh, nadagdagan kagabi. Mga kurtina na ang dami-dami. Nadagdagan. So, kaya marami tayong ipapadala sa Pinas. Kunin ko lang itong patay. Kuha tayo ng scissor. Naglalaba din ako. Kasi kukunin ko yung mga cover sa couch para naman walang cover. So, yun lang. Inano ko lang itong mga patay, guys. Kasi may mga patay na dahon. So, maliligo lang ako kasi alis pa ako. Magbili pa. Kailangan ko pa palang bumili ng yung masima-sima. Kung sa Bisaya pa, we need to buy some masima-sima. So, ano bang kailangan ko ito pala? Hala, kailangan ko nang bumili nito. Kasi ito na yung last na namin. Ito na yung last. So, I need to buy more of this. Yung light sa baba is on dahil andun yung mga gulay natin, guys. Yung kamatis, guys, may bulaklak na siya, guys. Yung kamatis. Hi, guys. Good. Happy New Year, Philippines! I know it's late. It's Happy New Year na, guys. Kahit yung kapatid ko, hindi man lang nag-live. Gusto ko makitang mag-live. So, yun. And lang ako. Hindi pa nga ako naglilinis doon, guys, sa living room. Wala akong pakialam. Wala akong pakialam. Ang tunay kong naramdaman. So, ngayon, kukuha lang tayo ng plato doon sa ibabaw. Kasi ganito yung mga short people. Kailangang tumungtong. Kailangan nating tumungtong kasi hindi natin abot. Okay? Lagyan natin ng chicken. Tommy made the chicken. So, excited kami, guys, ni Brenda. Where is my baby? I wanna say something to you, Han, after you did something over there. I wanna say something. It's something I wanna say. Ang pangit ng panahon, sobrang gloomy na foggy na hindi ko alam kung ano itong panahon na ito. Let's do it. The thing is, guys, hindi ko alam kung asan yung mga cover nito. Kasi may mga takip ito eh. Did we leave it in your Rochelle? I'm not sure. And I think you can, I think malagay ito sa oven eh. I think you can put it in the oven. Yun, and then naalis ako. Mag-pick up ng pagkain. And then I have to write down what I need. Aalis tayo. Punta tayong grocery. Madali ang grocery. I-arrange ko lang yung likuran ng sasakyan natin. Kasi, ay. Kasi nakababa lahat ng gamit. Yun. Oh, goodness. Ay, nang-seatbelt talaga. Buhay na ito siya. Si Brenda, dito gamit niya. Okay, yan. Ang ginawa. 47 degrees sa labas. And then, okay lang naman siya. Okay lang itong suot ko. Okay na to. Quiet man of music, tonight a simpler fate. Tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. Yearning love to dance upon a thundering velvet hand. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, tapos na po tayo na grocery. Nakabili na tayo ng mga kung ano yung kailangan natin sa grocery. And yun, si Tami nag-message ano daw, creamer daw. Sabi ko nakalabas na ako. And then nakagaling na ako sa Filipino store. Na pinick up ko na yung order ko guys. Pinick up ko na siya. Hala. So, pinick up ko na yung order ko. And so yun, pauwi na tayo guys. Kasi alam nyo na guys, kaloka na. Ang tao dito, nagtingin-tingin lang siya sa akin. So, ngayon, pauwi na tayo. So, andito na yung order ko. Ang bango-bango guys, grabe. Oh, I left my camera and my cellphone sa garage. Hold on, I'm coming. Because that one, it will memos and it's not enjoyable, that's all. The chicken, yes. Did you do it very low? 240. Okay. Is that chicken it says? Chop suey.
Is that good? Put it in here?
Yeah. Chop suey guys. Ito yung ginawa ni Tami. And yun yung in-order ko sa Filipino store. Hala, there is a cellophane. They put everything. Guys, busy na si Mr. guys. Ito yung aming ipakain sa mga darating. So, ito siya, mga cheese. At saka, ano yan, pepperoni and whatever. At saka gulay, para naman masustansya yung mga tao. Lalo na si Brenda, walang sustansya. So, ito gulay. Somebody's ano. Ha? Okay, lagay dyan. Ito siya is for the vegetables.
Just keep, because we so I can use it.
Yeah. This is for the vegetables. This is for the vegetables. Like that. So, yun. And then, i-open lang namin ito mamaya. I-open ko yan. Did you hit her in?
No.
Oh, I forgot rice. No rice.
You forgot rice and you didn't make any? I should make some. You told me I'll make pasta.
We still have to make a salad, guys, and then that's it. Then we're good. We're do karaoke. So everything will be a freaking loud here. So this is the thing, guys. You are having a Filipino gather here with your friend, and then you don't cook rice. So yun yung problema.
That made me stupid.
What?
Stupid.
Kami mo. So Brenda is coming, and they're probably almost here. And Misty and Roxy will go hide in the bedroom if they don't behave. Okay, so yun. Yeah, what time is it in the clock in the coffee maker?
Yeah, 7:30.
Oh my god, it's 7:30 daw ng gabi.
Oh, that was you.
Why, what did I do?
Change it.
I unplugged that. I didn't change it. This
Yeah,
here.
it was one of the only things on emergency power.
Ano lang guys, movie.
Yeah.
Ano ko lang itong sound kasi ang lakas.
It was like one big giant party.
Whole Eastern Seaboard.
Yeah.
I was driving back.
It was the whole prison.
Yeah, we were driving back from Montreal. We're coming down from
Saan tayo magpicture?
You know, high tech.
Saan tayo magpicture?
They like pumping themselves up there.
Hindi nga ako nakapag-vlog.
Yeah, we needed in the city, but
Na
the
busy.
first time we needed. Look, I embarrassed you.
Yan, mas malinaw. Hindi
You feel
pangit
like
yan sa
14 years
akin.
old.
I just read
Okay, doon tayo.
electric Mustangs.
Put that against a Shelby, and let's see how that works out.
Did
Yeah.
eat, Han?
What?
Did eat?
Hey, hoy, they got it wrong with their own.
Okay, let's go. Come here, picture.
Everybody,
Han.
actually,
Han,
what?
picture.
Photo?
Everybody except Dimples, because I was
Just look there. Or go
Oh.
picture.
That's right of me.
I never should open this.
Why?
Because I haven't actually
Ano ba yan?
had any drinks for a long time.
Oh.
And I had a Chivas that was open, and I'm not the double black. And I had a Chivas that was open, so I've been drinking it, and I don't really like Chivas. So I a little bit, and that was it. This I actually
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star. Flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lease. Ooh, getting caught in the mist. There's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run till the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down.
Hi guys, so ngayon guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog talaga guys. Nawali na tayo sa passing nito. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, na busy na. Andito kasi yung dalawa, or yung apat, mga partner niya. So ngayon, nag-ano na lang, naglinis lang kami guys, and yun. So yun, and as usual, ang daming lahat ng mga pagkain, lahat ng ano dito, wala na akong space. Wala eh. Anyway, so yun guys, iin ko na tong vlog guys kasi pagod. Ay, pagod. Bukas na, continue tayo bukas. Good morning! Happy New Year guys! Today is the first day of 2022, and then look, nag-edit lang ako, and then nanonood ng Karate Kid, and then my husband is busy in the kitchen. Anyway guys, mahirap na akong tumayo. I miss this recliner guys. Na-miss ko tong recline namin. I told my husband, I miss the recliner. Because hindi namin kasi ma-recline because I put cover. Naglalaba din ako guys. Ang dami kong mga nilalalabahan. Laba ng laba. Yung mga cover na kinuha ko sa couch, sa dining chair. Yun, nilalabhan ko. Continuation sa laba ko kahapon. Ang sarap ng ginawa ni Brenda na biko. Ang sarap sa kakape na hindi masyadong matamis kasi may konting katamis. Sabi ni Brenda hindi daw matamis, pero sa akin matamis siya. Pero hindi sobrang tamis. Pero masarap siya sa kape. So ngayon nilalabhan ko na itong mga yung cover ng ano natin. Cover nito, look, yung sa dining chair. So nilalabhan ko siya, so kini-quick dry ko siya. Parang nag-ano siya na parang hindi na magkasya. So, quick dry, pero konting basa-basa pa siya. Yung parang ano lang, hindi naman sobrang basa. So, ngayon, ihahang ko muna siya dito para mag-dry. And then, ilagay ko siya mamaya. Kasi para bago natin ilagay, totally dry na talaga siya, guys. Chichili dry. Uy, kulang ito Parang may dalawa pa doon sa dryer. Sabi ko, maganda man itong chair natin. Uy, kung walang ano, kung walang cover ba, look. Pero, sabi ko sa kanya, sabi pa ni Tami, kaya binibili daw namin yung ano, cover para daw protection kasi si Habs, saka si Dimples, mahilig talaga matulog paminsan dyan sa ano. Ito yung gawain natin guys, kasi wala tayong ano, halay-halay natin. Itong ano ko guys, itong coat, palagi ko yung winawash na. Kaya sinusuot ko yan palagi sa ano, tawag nun, sa dumpster dive. So, palagi din siyang basa. Kasi winawash ko talaga siya. Ito lang, ganyan lang yan siya para mag-dry ba. Kasi hindi ko siya pina-fully dry. Kasi kapag i-fully dry ko siya guys, ang resulta kasi mag-shrink. So, hindi na siya magkasya. O, diba? So, yun. Yun lang yan. So, our New Year is eating leftover because ang dami, guys. There's a lot of food yesterday. And no one ate the chop suey because there's so many food. So, Tom is having the chop suey. So, yun, guys. Kain lang kami, guys. Kasi, you know, it's a lunchtime. And then, ito yung New Year's namin, guys. Oh my God, guys. When Tommy made the chicken, remember Tommy made the chicken? A lot. Do you like the chicken? Oh my God. Na-shock ako, Han. And I was really shocked when like Brenda, Marlon, Luigi, Mark. They like your chicken. I said, wow, my husband really made it really good. Ako talaga, I'm always the first. But you know what, guys? He's number 1. Even though I'm the first and everything. See, I'm number 1.
I'm one.
So, kain lang kami, guys. But anyway, ito yung araw namin. Wala masyadong ganap.